Hi everybody, welcome to my series Grammatical Path Common Error. Just watch the video today on either or. Everything has been explained in a very easy way. So let's start. When two nouns or pronouns are connected with either is generally used when there are two persons or things. And when I ask the question to that girl, who's going to the market, then she says to me, I don't know. It's possible my brothers are going to the market, or it's possible my father is going to the market. So this sentence can be combined by either or. Either my brothers or my father going to the market. So this sentence represents brothers first and second father. And what types of verbs should be used in this sentence according to the subject? Are or is. It must be placed is. Why? Remember, when we use either or and a plural and a singular noun or pronoun, so look at the subject closest to the verb. So if the subject nearer to the verb is singular, so it must be singular verb. And if the subject nearer to the verb is plural, so we must use the plural verb. So in this sentence, father, subject father is in singular form, singular subject. So we have used a singular verb is. And how we see this sentence, either my father or my brothers going to the market. So this sentence represents father first and brother second. And what types of verbs should be used in this sentence? So first observe the main verb. First focus the main verb. So where is the verb? Here is the verb. And the subject, if the subject closest to the verb is plural, so we use the plural verb are. And main verb must agree with the nearer subject. And how is the second sentence? Either Mary or George helping today with household chores. So in this sentence, I've seen many students doing some common mistake, and they always put a plural form are according to the subject Mary or George, but it's not right. First observe the main verb, and where is the verb? Here is the verb. So if the subject closest to the verb, if the subject closest to the verb is singular, then we use the singular verb is. And the main verbs, remember that main verbs must agree with the nearer subject, not father subject. And here we see one child insisting both things. He says to me, I want to have both things, football and badminton. Then I say to him that I'll give you only one thing between the two things, either the football or badminton. So you can choose one thing between the two things. It's your choice, it's your desire. So either or used in this sentence when referring to a choice between the two possibilities. And he can choose one thing between the two things as a determiner pronoun. We can also say that you can have either football or badminton. And then he agrees. And but which color? You can choose either orange or yellow color. And here we see these sentences. In the first sentence, it's written that she plays football, and in the second sentence, it's written that I apply to. We can also say that I also play. It can be spoken with the two ways. So these are the right sentences, and these sentences are the positive sentences because they don't consist negative word not. So we have not used either in these sentences. And here we see the third and fourth sentences. She doesn't play football and I don't play either. So in these sentences, they are the negative sentences because they consist not. They consist not. So we have used either in these sentences, and either is normally used in a negative sentence to add an idea, to add an agreeing idea or thought. Obviously, these sentences, they are the positive sentences. She likes him and he likes her too. So we have not used the either in this sentence, and either is generally used in the second sentence to link the above sentence and at the last of the sentence. But they are the positive sentences, so we have not used either. And have is the second sentence that she does not like him and he does not either. So they are the negative sentences, so we have used either in this sentence. And how we see these sentences, and in this sentence it shows one choice between two things, and we use the plural indefinite pronoun and a singular verb after either of, and either of the days is fine. But we can't say, but it cannot be said like this, either of the days are fine. Okay, so second sentence, either of the t-shirts is good, but not either of the t-shirts are good. Okay, so we have used plural pronoun, indefinite pronoun and singular verb. So this is the right sentence. And have you see third sentence, either of the boxes is heavy, but not either of the boxes are heavy. This is the wrong sentence. So we will have to say that either of the boxes is heavy, and either of the parents is allowed, singular verb and indefinite plural pronoun, and either of the boys can go with us. So they are the right sentences because it shows one choice between the two things. And how we see either or, and it shows the one choice between the two verbs. Have what kind of two verbs? Read and play. Either read or play. So have you seen second sentence, either drink or eat. So this is the choice, it's your choice, you have to drink or you have to eat. And either move this box or go away. Either move this box or go away. And have you see fourth sentence, either drink or eat. It depends on you. Okay, and if you have any suspicions, so please write me on my comment box, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video.